The guest experience is important to us, and we provide high-quality, freshly laundered linens with each reservation.
FLPP provides linens for our renters, and I believe it adds value because they don't have to pack linen.
It's great that people arrive and the beds are made, the towels are all ready, it's move-in time, just the way it is. I think it adds a lot of value, and it's a huge difference to people.
Everyone we've talked to that rents thinks it's a wonderful service, and as owners, we were looking at the cost to us if we had to provide the linens, and the replacement rate, because some people aren't as kind on linens as you'd like them to be. So we think it's a valuable service. It's reasonably priced. The times that we've stayed there, we actually use the linen service, and everything looks like it just came out of the store brand new. So they do an excellent job in cleaning and making sure everything's set up properly.